It's supposed to be a pretty scenic drive, and so I'm going to see about it. It's called 6 Mile Canyon Road, and I don't know, just for the scenery of it, see what we got. It's pretty close to the state park we're staying in and working in, so we'll go here and see what we can see. Pretty cloudy today. We got some snow earlier, just a little bit. This 6 Mile Canyon Road, see what we get. I don't know how long it is. Maybe 6 miles. 6 Mile Canyon Road in Sterling, Utah. Here's kind of an irony for you. It's 6 Mile Canyon Road, and look at the odometer, 76666. It's just kind of ironic. Alrighty, we'll keep rolling here. Show you some pretty scenery. No big deal. Trying to take it easy from yesterday's fiasco with that awning. I got the part ordered, the fabric ordered, 200 inches by 46 inches. I'll have to take the awning completely off and have to have some help with another ladder, see if I can fix that thing. Oh, now look, it's a gravel road here. Grew up on a gravel road and a little kid, Monroe, Louisiana, South Arkansas, I call it. My mother's Martin. She was incredible at words. My mother, she had this big garden, grew a lot of vegetables, and a neighbor asked her, her name is Faye, Faye, what are you going to do with all those vegetables? And she said, well, we eat what we can, and what we can't, we can. That's my mom. Bless her heart, rest in peace, Mom. 6 Mile Canyon Road, pretty back in here. Might see some wildlife. Utah's full of many black bear. I have never seen one, but that's what I'm told. Black bear. Oh, it's pretty back in here. I bet they made movies back in here. What you want to bet? We were in Canab, Utah. They call it Little Hollywood, where they've made hundreds of Western movies, including the outlaw Joseph Wells. And also there, they have the remains of the old Gunsmoke TV series, Gunsmoke. James Arnaz, Dennis Weaver, Amanda Blake, among others. We actually got to go in the cabin that outlaw Josie Wells that they were when they were attacked in that scene. They still have that cabin. There's a hotel there. I forgot the name of it, but they have all the actors who stayed there. They have their names on the hotel rooms that they stayed in. There's Sammy Davis Jr., Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, all of them. Every one of them. I made a video about that. We stayed at the Grand Plateau RV Resort. That's a really nice place. I made a video about that too. Look at this. Oh boy. Scooter gets in the car and he starts panting. Look at this. It's something you see in the movies. Oh boy. I got the fabric ordered to replace that. The wind just tore it off. Picked it up. Virtually picked it up. Right. It's kind of rocky here. I'm in a Toyota Corolla. We've taken this car places you wouldn't take a four-wheel drive. I'm serious about that. Here we go. Up. Look at the hawk flying up there. Can you see him? Now look at this. We've only gone 2 miles. Scooter really gets to panting when he gets in the car. He gets excited. He actually shakes. Oh, look at this. Look at that stream down there. Pretty neat ride. We've only done less than half of it. Look up there. Whoa. To the left. Cindy's first day on the job as a checking in people. She worked from 8 to 2 today on her own. The first time. No, it's not the first time on the job. It's the first time solo. There's a lot to it. I just saw a sign that said that you need a four-wheel drive because of the grade is too steep. And we're not going to be foolish. We might rent a four-wheel drive or a ATV, off-the-road vehicle, and come back here. Cindy hasn't been back here, so we just thought Scooter here now would just take the time. We thought we'd just take the time to, I'm holding the camera on the dash here, my hand here. We'll just take the time and check it out first, see what it's like. Keep panting there, Scooter. Let's see, reaches the point where I have to turn around. I will. Well, let's see. I think I'm pretty good still. The problem with this car is to have it lifted is that it's so low. It does okay with not getting stuck, but it's only 6 inches off the ground. I wanted to have it lifted about another 6 inches, but that's complete suspension change, and I'm not going to do that. They have lift spring. You can lift it up a couple of inches with a set of adapters to put under your springs. But if I can't lift it any more than that, I don't want to fool. I really want to keep the Toyota. I don't want to trade it in for a Jeep or any other car. Nothing against them, but I really like this Toyota Corolla. Get 30 miles to the gallon, and it just is a sweetheart. It's a good car. Oh boy, see, that's gonna do me right there. Good. All right, keep trucking. Hope you enjoy the ride. I'm filming this in 4K 30, and get a better shot of it. A lot of my videos, I put a filter on them to make them a little more attractive, and I'm going to start getting away from that. I haven't seen any wildlife yet. That's 3 miles. So we only go, no. Well, it's this right here. I could probably get around this if I go up around this way like this. But I don't know, I'm a little afraid of it. I don't want to. It's quiet out here, a little windy. Scooters in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, and I'll try it some other day because I don't want to bottom out there. I thank you for being here. I just want to make a little video. Nothing spectacular. I don't expect too many views on it. I just like making videos. I enjoy it. Especially people who enjoy them. It just gives me a thrill. And I thank you. And we'll get Scooter back home. We might do a little filming on the way back and see what that looks like. It's cold up here. It's about 35 degrees. Snowing earlier. We're done. What I'm going to do is go ahead and back up. There's a spot here where you can turn around. I don't go off the edge there. It's exciting. It's just another adventure. I can turn around up here. Whoa. I can turn around up here. I think. Let me keep going. Whoa, man. Whoa, that's a big drop. I think I can turn around here. Gotta be careful, though. I tell you what to do. I'll take advantage of this situation and show you my famous 2-point turn. Let me show you this, how you do this. And put the camera on the road. Here's my famous 2-point turn. What you do, you go forward and you go to the other side of the road. The other side of the road, all right? Now you put it in reverse and you back up and you don't go over the, I'm not gonna be able to do it. No, I'm too chicken. I'm too chicken. It's gonna be a 3-point. I'm just too chicken. I really am, man. I can't have it. I'm a chicken. Here we go. Back home. Let's see what it looks like going the other way. Doohickey on. Now we'll go back and see what it looks like. A lot of times, oftentimes, when you travel, you go back the way you came, you see an entirely different view, right? Let's see what we see here. I gotta be careful here. Don't want to bottom out. Alcohol in the oil pan, you're in deep trouble. Deep trouble. I got a skid panel on that protecting the oil pan, but you never know. Alrighty. Little bumpy. We're taking this car to places that we should be arrested. Out in the desert. Places that you just simply would turn around and go back. Actually, one time we were in K-Nab, we were climbing this mountain, and this tour Hummer, it was a tour bus or a tour car, had a bunch of tourists in there, and it was a 4-wheel drive Hummer, was coming down the hill. We were going up the hill, and the guy says, we stopped and talked, and he says, what are you doing up here? I said, well, we're just driving around. And the guy said, you can't come up here in a Toyota Corolla. We were already there. We said, oh, we didn't know we couldn't come up here in a Toyota Corolla. And he said, you probably should turn around. Cindy was driving, and she said, it looks like you worked for it. But he said we couldn't get there to Toyota Corolla, and we were there. Anyway, he's like, KDEP, there's a place called Best Friends Animal Sanctuary. I made a video about that too, and it is one of the most incredible places I've ever been in my life. They take any kind of animal that's been deserted or maltreated. Even police bring them animals sometimes. They even take little birds, turtles, any kind of little animal, and they keep it. Horses, cows, anything, and they give it a home and give it love and feed it and take care of it. Best Friends Animal Sanctuary in K-Nab, Utah. I bought some of the clothing from them. I bought a hoodie and some other clothes from them to help support them. Go there, it's free. I would advise you to go in there and support them and buy something from them. A lot of famous actors, celebrities, I should say, support that place. It's one of the most sacred places I've ever been, other than Veterans Cemetery. An extremely sacred place. So much respect. Best Friends Animal Sanctuary in K-Nab, Utah, show to the living creatures. My personal philosophy is respect all forms of life and avoid the criminal justice system as much as you possibly can. We're back to the paved road here. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me on this little trip. I just like to talk, but also like to make videos and show you where we are, show you our adventures, and this is one of them. Now what we'll do when Cindy is off, we'll come back and that one spot there where I had to turn around, I'll bring a crowbar with me and I'll dig that big boulder up out of the road so we can pass and go on further, or we'll rent an ATV in town and come back. Thank you very much. Subscribe if you like this, if you like the channel, like what we do. See, I have fun with it. I love editing and making videos. I love putting my nuttiness in it and sharing it with you. I love knowing you, getting to know you. There's quite a few of you now. It's a small channel. We just about hit 2,000 subscribers. Most YouTubers don't even make it to 1,000. They never make it. 99% of the YouTubers never make it there. But you got to stay with it because you love it and you love sharing your joy and your happiness with people. I do. Always will. I've always been that way. I love you guys and I thank you. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. Thank you, Scooter, for coming with the daddy. And happy fun, baby. You're always good company. You guys take care, peace, and be happy if you can. Do the best you can. Goodbye.